Burning of fossil fuels is major cause of pollution across the globe. Though clean energy is available, it comes with reliability issues. Wind energy depends on speed of wind at any time. Solar power fades with the end of day. This is also a time of peak energy requirement. This calls for methods to store energy on a massive scale for longer duration and in economic ways. Let's look at some potential solutions. 1. Solid state batteries. Earlier in 2020, QuantumScape claimed to have a revolutionary solid state lithium ion cell that could change EVs forever. They use a special solid electrolyte. Also, the battery's anode is made from pure lithium metal. This combination results in high energy density, enables ultra-fast charging, and eliminates the risk of battery fires. The idea has been invested in by Volkswagen and Bill Gates. With long-lasting, cheap, and high-capacity battery, electric vehicles may be able to replace petroleum vehicles. Number 2. Organic battery. LOEcell claims to have developed world's first 100% eco-friendly and non-hazardous 1.5 volt AA and AAA size batteries using aloe vera. With increasing use of batteries, the problem caused by their disposal are also increasing. Going organic is the only solution. This startup has been recognized by a number of organizations, international and national. Number 3. Grid-scale utility storage. We should be able to store energy in times of peak supply and inject it into the grid when it is in high demand. Cost and degradation of capacity in batteries are major reasons for dependency on thermal power plants. Presenting to you Energy Vault. The basic principle is that excess energy is used to stack composite blocks in a tower. Later, kinetic energy of falling blocks is turned to electricity. Simple as it may sound, the patented control system delivers up to 80% efficiency and 4 to 8 hours of continuous power discharge. Even with efficient storage capacity, availability of commercial space still necessitates more innovations. Number 4. Flow batteries. Compact flow batteries, which can provide energy storage for longer duration, may end the need for thermal power plants altogether. Primus Power has developed a compact flow battery which fits these requirements. Solutions like these are much needed for creation of microgrids in complexes and institutions. While energy storage is important, to really do away with fossil fuels, we need solutions that can generate power 24/7. Ocean is one such source of energy, though there are many ways to harness its energy, including tidal, wind, and thermal. Only one form of energy is available 24/7 and is reliable enough. Wave. Oceans have the potential to satisfy global needs 5 times over. Wavestar, a project section of the 600 kilowatt machine, was installed at Hanstholm in 2009. The installation was done in 2 days. The machine has been connected to the grid since February 2010.